What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. If you're here for the very first time, go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I want to show you a cool software, okay, my software business, a cool AI software in which it allows you to make $200 per sale over and over and over, simply sharing a phone number. Just like what it says here, share a phone number and let our AI and human success coaches close sales for you that pay you 100% commissions of $200 while automatically building you a monthly residual income. All right, so a pretty cool system. This is the website, guys, right here. Here is my number, okay, to my software biz. It's pretty cool, and I'm going to show you guys what's also awesome about this and how you can make additional income with this one system. All right, so let's do this. I want you to check this out. Hang on one second. Let's dial it so you can check it out.
Well, hi there, and thanks for calling to learn how you too can get paid $200 over and over as you help others step into their very own lucrative software business with this powerful and proven system. Press 1 right now to have our AI success coach text you all the details to the mobile phone number you're calling from, and if you're not calling from a mobile phone, just press 2 and then enter the number you want us to text you on. On top of making money with this, we're even going to hook you up with over $1,000 a month of valuable enterprise-level software that you're going to actually want to use. We're going to do this for only a small one-time fee. Press 1 right now to get all of the life and business-changing details, and we can't wait to show you this proven system.
All right, guys, so just dial that number. The only thing they've changed, they are not partnered with, I think it was Tier 1. They're not associated with that company where they were giving away that software, what was included, those softwares. But at any rate, there's some additional marketing products that they have in the back office, and you can check that out at your leisure. But the main point I want you to see is just simply sharing a phone number, right? That will allow you to make these $200 commissions. They have a frequently asked question section right here. You can go check that out once you call the number and get started. But what I want to show you is the back office, okay? In that back office where there's additional income streams that can be utilized if you're a part of those programs, all right? So let's check this out. Now, by the way, you're paid any way you like, guys. That's the other thing. You're paid instantly, member to member. The company is not going to pay you. You're paid directly from the person that joins you from your website, okay? Or when they call your phone number, the AI is going to text them your link, okay? So you're paid directly, and you decide how you want to get paid: Cash App, Venmo, credit card, whatever, Venmo, whatever way you want to get paid, okay? So you will specify that right here. You go over here, click profile, okay? And under profile, you're going to list your payment methods, okay? Very simple. That's it. One and done. Guess what? It's only $250 to get this system. Now, everybody that joins me, I will create you at least 2 images, okay? I've been creating folks images even for TechSpot that join me there, where I'll put your phone number on some of those images, and you can post these along social media, or you can actually place ads, guys, and put these pictures out there, and folks will call your number. All right, so let me show you this. This is what I was excited about when they even launched this program right here in the marketplace. Not sure if you're aware of it. So when anyone joins me and they log in their back office, they're going to see these opportunities. So let's take a look. They're going to see these opportunities, and if you're a part of these, what you would do is just plug your links in here. So these additional opportunities that you can get started with. All right, So I am, of course, a part of TextBot. So I linked my TextBot link in there. I'm not a part of Yes Machine, but I'm a part of Unlock with Elevation. So I've added my link in there. And then they have another one, Savings Highway. Okay, so 2 additional income streams that I have in the back office of this system. All right, and this is only $250 to get this system. But you could possibly, if someone decides to join these other ones, TextBot has 2 levels, a $100 level and a $500 level. See right here, it shows you that once we move this around. And then Yes Machine is $1,000, I believe. Then Unlock with Elevation is an additional $700. So that's $700 per sale with that one. Okay. And then I think this one is a monthly residual. But TextBot and Unlock I am a part of. So this one system is allowing me to promote 2 other opportunities. Okay. Now 4 actually, but I'm a part of the 2 of the 4. All right. So this is a great way to promote other opportunities that they have back here if you are already in those programs. All right, guys. Pretty cool. Promote a phone number. Run ads. I do that as well. So I have some ad copies. If you guys are interested in ads, I'll be happy to share those with you once you get started. It's a pretty simple system, guys. It's the dashboard right here. Pending payments, it will show there. Your commissions, your team, your leads. Okay. How it works. And right here is the setup guide. You click right here. Very simple. Get your phone number, and then you follow the steps they tell you. Okay, get and stay connected. Set up your payment methods. Complete your profile. You're one and done. Okay, very easy. All you need to do is share your number, or you can share your link. Now the number is pretty cool because, as I stated earlier, you can post your number on ads, and I like to use image ads. Let me show you one of the ones I just recently created. Hang on. All right, so here's another ad that I created. Okay, we can get creative here and just post this. I can make you one also. All right, see here, guys, I'm accepting Cash App payments. Here is a Cash App payment I received. I'm going to put this over this so I don't disclose anybody's information for privacy protection. But right here you see Cash App, $200. This system can help you make $200 over and over and over. All you gotta do is put your phone number out here and promote it, and let the AI success coach, the system, is gonna close the sales for you so you don't have to. All right, and let you check out this little clip really quick, and then you guys can get started. We're just gonna look at a snippet of this really quick here.
Seen this sign recently? Millions of people are finding alternative ways to make the money they need without having a typical 9-to-5 job, and thus have truly set themselves free. Isn't it time you did as well? Did you know that anesthesiologists and surgeons are the highest paying professions in America, coming in with an annual salary of around $265,000? Did you also know that less than 0.02% of the U.S. population actually holds these job titles? Well, that's because it's really hard, and it takes a ton of time and commitment to make it happen, doesn't it? But what if you could make that kind of money and more, and you didn't have to spend 4 years in college getting a degree and hundreds of thousands of dollars in the process, and all you needed to do was invite people to text or call a phone number every day? That's it. You share a phone number, and our AI text messaging success coach takes over from there. It uses text messaging to make sales on your behalf of our powerful products. And when it does, you get paid $200. Here's how it works. You're going to pay a $200 one-time fee to the reseller who invited you here in order to gain access to our product suite. I'll tell you more about our product suite in just a minute. You'll then pay a $50 one-time setup fee to mysoftwarebusiness.com. Yep, just $250 one time is all it costs to be in business with us. Our system will then automatically assign you a unique 10-digit phone number. You will then simply share this phone number with others looking to make money too. Now, the best part is you can set yourself up to get paid however you choose, whether that be Venmo, PayPal, Cash App, credit card, or even Bitcoin. Let's talk about our valuable and powerful product suite. With mysoftwarebusiness.com, you'll know.
Okay, so that's the gist of it, guys. Call the number on the screen to get further information about this, but you can get started with this. It's ASAP, okay? Because it's instant pay. As soon as you make your payment, I'll mark you paid, and then you can get started. And then we can have a conversation on how we're going to get you started promoting this thing. And you can give me your phone number so that I can put it on a couple images. I'm going to do at least 2 images for you, and you can get it out here in the marketplace. All right. This is the power of smartphones. Okay. Smartphones and artificial intelligence. Okay. And leveraging the internet, guys. You can do this if you remain dedicated to it. You've got to promote. That's just the name of the game. That's what I do love about affiliate marketing. You're simply sharing other people's products. All right. When you share other people's products, it's the power of affiliate marketing. You're paid a commission, and this is 100% commission. Okay. Instant pay. So go check it out. Call this phone number 239-579-3543. Go through the system. Call it from your cell phone so you can actually see how it works yourself. All right. And then opt in, go to the link, go check everything out. You can even set up an account. Okay. If you're ready to get started, go ahead and pay your $250 and you can get started today. Okay. There's no waiting. There's no delay. It's going to come with credits. The credits are going to be included. So you'll be ready to rock and roll as soon as you actually make your payment. Okay. Then reach out to me so that we can talk about a marketing plan. All right, guys. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right. Till next time, see you on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.